everyone. If you love someone, and if it is genuine love, you see their hidden soul. You get a glimpse of the light that lives inside of them. You see them fully. You see them flaw. You see the flaws, the light, the dark, and the magic that exists inside their soul. You see everything they possess. You see yourself as a future inside their arms. You believe the entire world, the future inside their arms. You can see that way. You could imagine how could they not when it is not so clear or vivid to you. When you love someone, it's so clear and vivid to you. When you love someone, you want to help, encourage them, to support the love, protect them also. You want to help make sure the entire world see them in the same beautiful way as you do. That is the love when it is true. Love is not emotion, it is an energy, and it's the most powerful in the entire universe, because you will feel, you will see that eyes cannot see. If it is a genuine love, you feel it, and hope that this simple motivational talk will learn something, because anyone can entice in the name of love, but we cannot see the true intention of those people. But the true love, you feel it, even that you cannot see. There's a genuine love hidden inside of the souls of someone that truly love you, and you will feel it. You will feel the light coming from them, especially right, diba? Kaya nga, people noticed how glow you are, how lovely you look when you are in love, because it feels like you shine. It feels like there's a light in you when you feel the true love, when you experience the true love, because it's an energy that can transfer to everyone, that they truly see how loved by you, by that person's, because you experience the light of their love. And hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.